Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on your MacBook. While there isn't a native Mac OS version, you have several excellent options to enjoy this popular game. We'll explore cloud gaming services, which let you stream the game, and methods for running the Windows version directly on your Mac. Additionally, we'll touch upon playing the mobile version, ensuring you can embark on your TAVAD adventures. Cloud gaming is a fantastic way to play Genshin Impact on your Mac without needing powerful hardware or large downloads. Services like NVIDIA GeForce Now, Boosteroid, and Xbox Cloud Gaming allow you to stream the game directly to your device. You can often enjoy high-quality graphics and smooth frame rates, sometimes up to 4K resolution and 120 frames per second, depending on your subscription. Remember, a strong and stable internet connection is key for the best experience. For those wanting the full Windows PC version, there are a couple of approaches. On Apple Silicon Macs, a community-developed launcher called Yoggle, or yet another anime game launcher, can run the game effectively, especially on Mac OS 14.4 or later. Alternatively, virtualization software like Parallels Desktop allows you to install Windows and then Genshin Impact. Intel-based Macs can use Boot Camp for a native Windows installation, generally offering superior performance compared to virtualization. You can also play the mobile version of Genshin Impact on your Mac. Android emulators like BlueStacks allow you to run the game, offering keyboard and mouse support. For Apple Silicon Macs, tools like PlayCover enable sideloading the iOS version directly. To optimize performance across any method, consider lowering in-game graphics settings to low or medium, and ensure your Mac has at least 16 gigabytes of RAM for the best possible experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.